Hey, what's up, you guys? We're going to move on to Onyxcoin right now. Onyxcoin here. Again, I don't want to get into it. We are going to break down the 4-hour time frame. So quickly taking a look at the price here is at 0.009007. In the last 24 hours, price is up 2%, as well as market cap as well at 293%. However, we have seen a drop in the trading volume at 3% here. So it is showing us some mixed sentiment, and ultimately we're going to see which side is going to be more dominant if we can see any hints at that matter. So kind of taking a look at the 4-hour time frame, Onyxcoin is testing a descending resistance level. We have broken through the 20 moving average. Again, is very key here to find any type of movement in the direction that we want to. And in this case here, we're looking for more bullish sentiment, more bullish indicators. Now, normally whenever we see a break above any type of key areas of resistance, we are looking for more bullish indicators, more bullish candlesticks to really support that breakout. And as we can see in the last 4-hour sessions, it really didn't happen here for Onyxcoin. We didn't see a lot of bigger candlesticks. We did see a lot of trading activity when we look at this 4-hour candlestick. This long wick candlestick here does show a lot of manipulation here. A lot of people bought at this very high and then sold in this last 4-hour section here. So it is going to be very key for Onyxcoin if we're able to hold this price point at 0.00893 at our 20 moving average in order to see higher resistance being tested. Now, if we do fail to hold on to the 20 moving average, most likely Onyxcoin is going to be stuck again in this consolidation phase. But most importantly, as I open up the candlesticks here, we do see a gap in between these two candlesticks. And typically what happens with gap, it means that there's lost liquidity. The price itself moved fairly quickly here, and in these price points the price orders were not filled. And essentially what that means in the future is that the price will gravitate and we'll see a candlestick body fill in this gap. It doesn't mean that it's going to happen immediately. It just means that it's going to happen in the future. So we know that the price is going to come through this area, possibly retesting this area of support from our 20 moving average. Now, if we take a look at our indicators, most importantly, the RSI, it is looking very flat here. Our signal line for our RSI is angled downwards. So the real momentum here is not building up, in my opinion, for the bulls. And again, we are going to be testing the 20 moving average here. When we look at our momentum from our MACD indicator, yes, these histograms are green, but ideally what we wanted in that breakout from our 20 moving average, we wanted to see these histograms growing even bigger here. And basically these are these signal lines getting closer to this 0 marker to really show us that shift of momentum. So this here for me in the 4-hour time frame, this breakout is very weak here. Just be prepared for price to kind of retrace closer down to this area of support. And if we do take a look at our Fibonacci levels, taking it from this lower wick to this highest wick here that tested that 50 moving average, we can see that the 23% of our Fibonacci at 0.008 was around the gap area. So again, that may be tested if we do see some support being done around our 20 moving average. And let's say that the bulls do step in and we see a strong rally. The next area of support we're taking a look at is going to be around 0.00923. But definitely keep those key areas a looky-loo, and especially take a look at your indicators as well going into Onyxcoin today. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.